Okay, fifth graders, want to help you guys out here. Looking at the last page, 490. This is 11.6, I believe. So 7, 8, 9, and 10. You guys didn't have a lot more to do. We talked about this one in class, so I'm not going to bother with that one. Number 8, Pia built a rectangular prism with cubes. The base of her prism has 12 1 centimeter cubes. So the base, there's 12 cubes here. They're not talking about this one down here, but there's just 12 at the base. If the prism was built with 108 1 centimeter cubes, what's the height of her prism? Well, what do? You are going to divide 108 divided by 12. And I'll let you guys do that. 108 divided by 12. And that will give you the height. Number 9. A packing company makes boxes with edges, each measuring 3 feet. Yeah, I talked to a couple students about this one. What is the volume of the boxes? Okay, so there's your question. What's the volume of the boxes? If 10 boxes are put in a larger rectangular shipping container and completely fill it with no gaps or overlaps, what is the volume of the shipping container? So let's see here. So each box is 3 feet. So here's one of their boxes. Okay. And it's 3 feet here. It's 3 feet here, and the height is also 3 feet. So length is 3 feet, width is 3 feet, height is 3 feet. So how do you figure out the volume when you're given these dimensions? Width and height. And volume is simply length times width times height. So it's going to be 3 times 3 times 3 equals something cubic feet. Okay. Now, we're not done, though. That's one box. That's just the volume of one box. They're talking about if 10 boxes are put in a large rectangular shipping container and completely fill it with no gaps or overlaps, what will the volume of the shipping container be? So all these boxes are going to go into, 10 boxes are going to go into a much larger shipping container. So it's going to, for this question, because there's 2 questions here, what's the volume of the shipping container? Well, it's going to be 3 times 3 times 3 times whatever that is. That's going to be times 10. You're going to multiply it by 10. And that'll give you the large shipping container. Okay? Number 10. I think you guys could do 10 on your own here. Carlton used 1 centimeter cubes to build this rectangular prism. Find the volume of this prism. Yeah, okay. Well, you can find it. All right. All right, that's it. Gosh, short homework video to help you guys out. I think the previous page, I think most of you had finished that in class, so I'm not too worried about it. So we'll be grading this tomorrow. Make sure you get your homework done. You've got the where is it here? That review of adding fractions. This sheet here, 1 through looks like 14. And again, I think most of you had finished this in class. So get that done, get this math done, and then you've got a crossword puzzle, I believe, to do. And I think everybody had finished 2 C and D. So anyways, I'll put it up on the Worldly Wise 2 C and D. I'll put that up on Class Dojo. All right, that's it.